Alrighty, here we are with part 2 of the walk around. Okay, here's a Bug-Eye WRX. It's a transmission donor. It's got a 5-speed. And then we have 93 F250 7380i ZF 5-speed. It's a good truck. Got a Comet. It's a really clean car. It's got some taillights smashed out, so we need to swap in some more of those. Got a bench seat from 89 crew cab, like that one. It was from that one. Then we have a 1940 Ford Deluxe. It's got a flathead and a 3-speed manual. It's an upper coupe. Engine doesn't run, but otherwise, it's a mechanically sound car. And it does need a little bit of interior work, but it's a good car. You're gonna build it out like a booze runner? Yeah. Got the 89 crew cab swapped in with a OBS front end, which is pretty cool. Got a spare IDI lying around, needs new piston rings. Random wall of parts, mattress, those are filled with some Subaru parts and stuff. And up there, we have the engine and transmission that we're going to be putting in that Model A that I had in the video yesterday. So, yeah. Got a forklift, got it for really cheap. Got a spare flathead, tore that down a couple months ago. Now we got a International KB2. It's well, I mean, it has the front end of a KB3, but it's a KB2. It's got a 350 in it. Yeah. It has a Chevy 10-bolt rear on stock springs. Mustang 2 front end with disc brakes. Got drum brakes in the rear. It's actually running on stock International springs. Now we're getting into some of the tractors that we have over here. But, we got a Bobcat here. But here we have a Boland's. Well, FMC Boland's Husky 1000. Yeah. That's broken off though, so if anybody knows where I could find one, drop it down in the comments. Got a Gibson. It's needs new belts and something's wrong with the carburetor. Got this thing. Can't remember exactly what it is again. Yes. Then we got a OBS hood, some tires. Now I have a custom tractor here. Now we have a John Deere B. Yeah, it's just a regular B. It's not in best condition. It's a row crop, so we got a 49 all over 60 row crop. Yeah, this is my favorite. Seat is comfortable. Yeah. Got a truck topper up there. That's basically all we have in the shed.